Hello everyone. So today our topic is drawing simple organic compounds. Your goal is I can draw alkanes by the name given. Okay. Not very many notes for this. If you can draw or if you can name alkanes, it's very easy to draw alkanes because you're just doing the opposite. So how to draw alkanes? First, you draw the main chain by looking at the prefix before the ane or the ane. That prefix before the ane tells you how many carbons are in that long chain. And then you need to draw any branches or subgroups listed in the name. Okay, so here's this. If you need to pause it, write down those steps. Okay, so your examples: 4-ethyl, 3-methyl heptane. Okay, so let me get my lines. So 4-ethyl, 3-methyl heptane. So the ane, that prefix before the ane, so right here, tells you how many carbons you need in that long chain. Hept is, if you look at our prefixes, hept is 7. So that means we need 7 carbons. So here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, get that out of the way, 4, that's rough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is our heptane. So now we need to do the chains. So at 4 we have an ethyl. Well, if we look at our prefixes, ethyl means, oops, I froze. Ethyl means 2 carbons. Okay, so at 4 we need an ethyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 carbons. So there's 1 carbon. 2 carbons. And then at 3 we have a methyl, which if you look at the prefix is just 1. So 1, 2, 3, we have a 1. And you could just draw the line straight up if you want to. So that would be how you draw that. So use this to figure out the long chain, and then you just draw the steps. Now if one of these said, like if 4 was, or let's do, if 3 was bromo, you would need to put Br right there at that chain. There we go, just like that. So if that was bromo, that's just telling you there would be a Br at that 3. All right. If you have any questions on how to draw in your digital notebook, you have 3 examples. Right here is the line tool, so you could just use the line tool. If it's easier for you to draw this on paper, you are more than welcome to draw on paper, and you can just email me your work, or you can insert it in this Google slide, whichever is easier for you. And on the next slide, we are done. So we're done with everything in this unit. The next slide is your lab. So you'll need to do your lab tomorrow, which it should be if you're doing these on time. The Unit 6 lab is Monday the 16th. So you will click this link right here. Let me make sure I'm not drawing anything. So you will click this link. It'll open this website up. So you have your summary, your objectives, your topics, all this stuff, your background information that it's kind of explaining what's going on, your objective, your materials, your procedure. Okay, this is your step-to-step what you need to do. You do need to do this at home. All you need is some soap, hand sanitizer, and black pepper. You also need some water. It can just be tap water, and then 2 plates. They don't have to be paper plates. This won't like mess up your dishes. So um, any type of plate will work. And then once you've done that, I have your observations and analysis in your digital notebook. You could just fill it in here, so you don't have to write it down or anything like that. So if you have questions on your lab, let me know and I'll be happy to help. Then the last slide, of course, is space for you to write down an outline for your test. I will send you an email with the outline for the test for you to help prepare for it. Um, I don't currently have the test written, which is why I don't put it up there, because I'm waiting to know exactly what will be on the test on that day to help you out. So if you have any questions, need extra help, need extra practice, anything like that, let me know and I will be happy to help you.